It's time to eat, everybody. Let's go. Village Cooking Channel. Chicken ghee roast, fried country chicken recipe for Village Cooking Channel. Thank you so much for being here. Anyway, let's go. Go subscribe to Village Cooking Channel. They're amazing, and they're my friends, and I love them very much. All right, here we go.
மணக்க கமகமனே நாட்டு கோழி நெய் வறுவல் செம்மையா சமைக்கிறோம் பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம் இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டி எல்லாரும் வாங்க ஆல்வேஸ் வெல்கம் யூ
Ooh, little beat action. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I was off beat with the chopping there. They had a little beat together going in with the chopping there for a moment. Just saying. Look at all this chicken. Let's go. I watch Village Cooking Channel even when I'm not reacting. I just love watching these guys and watching how they cook. I mean, it's incredible. Homemade ghee. Okay. That's a lot of butter. A lot of ghee right there. Ghee is kind of like a butter, right? I'm pretty sure it's like a butter. So that's a lot of chicken, though. That ASMR action right there, dude, with the little sizzling, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Crystal salt. Karupe. Oh, a little foggy of the camera there. Oh, look at this shot. Cameraman, nicely done. Oh, look at that shot. Oh, I love that camera shot. Well done, my cameraman. Oh, love that so much. Mouth is watering. Wow. Yes, please. And some more. Please and thank you. I want to eat it all. Oh, careful. This is getting hot, guys. Getting hot, guys. Oh, yeah. Burning my hands.
சுருள் பட்டை வரமிளகாய் ஏலக்காய் கிராம்பு
மிளகு pepper
சோம்பு சீரகம் மல்லி.
He has the best job in the world. Just scream out what we're putting in the recipe. Grandpa, could you just scream it out?
மங்களகரமா மஞ்சள் ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம்.
But you know what I mean? It's like, hey, what's your job? Okay, my job, I'm just going to scream out everything we're putting in here. Okay, so wait, they're not going to grind that up? They are going to grind it up all together. Oh, okay. Wow. That's a man's job right there, dude. I'm sorry. You got to be strong to do that, dude. Get those muscles going, dude. You're like, what's up, everybody? What do you do? I grind spices for a living. What's up? More homemade ghee. All right, here we go. We're going to get the sizzling. I was going to say, you start to hear the sizzle here because we're heating it up. We've got the fire on high below. All right, let's start going up all the hand ground masala in there, then the spices, and then the chicken. Oh, look at that coloring. That is a beautiful color right there. Ooh, I like that. Now, I can be good just like this. Just give me the meat. Give me the meat after you're done you know, spreading it all around, doing everything you're doing. I could just go with the meat by itself because I'm a meat eater. I love meat, dude. All right, so here we go. What's this?
கரைச்ச புளி தண்ணி.
Oh, tamarind extract. So they took the tamarind and got the juice out of that.
தயிர்.
Little sweetness maybe in there. Okay, so the curd's gonna thicken it up a little bit.
கல்லுப்பு.
Okay. A little extra flavoring in there. That is a one big pot. Yeah, we need more of this in the videos. More singing, more dancing, more having fun. I love seeing that. Oh, now we're talking. Look at the color now. The color's completely different now. It has completely changed. Oh, a little even more flavor with the curry leaves. This is one thing about Indian cooking, guys. You're not just going to get salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic. You're going to get about 353 spices put in. I'm not, that's too many, but you get the point. You're going to get a lot of spices, a lot of flavor. And so the flavors just never end. So when you put it in your mouth, you start eating, you're like, okay, I taste curry. Okay, now I taste a little masala. No, I taste this. I taste it. It just doesn't stop. This is why I love Indian food. Oh yeah, I gotta get the juice on there. That's what I'm talking about. You see how he mixes it all up? I'll get all the flavors in the rice and stuff. Yep. Oh yeah, he was like,
Vera level.
Vera level. Vera level. Yes, you know it is. So that's some on the bone
நேத்து
chicken.
ராத்திரியே பொட்ட கோழியா பார்த்து அடைச்சு போட்டு அதை காட்டால கோழி அடிச்சு கம்மகம்னு நெய் ஊத்தி வதக்கி விட்டு மசாலா போட்டு சமைச்சது இந்த ஆட்டுக்கறி குழம்புக்கும் நாட்டுக்கோழி நெய் வறுவலுக்கும் வேற லெவல் சாப்பாடு ரொம்ப நாள் கழிச்சு.
He basically said what I said. You have all these flavors. You have the masala. You have all the different flavors that are coming out, and it's Vera level. Dude, he said what I said. He must have been listening to me. This part right here, what I think I want to do every time I see this part is I think we should say a prayer for these folks. You know, I mean, just God bless them. And, you know, they've been through a lot in their lives. I guarantee every single one of these people that we're seeing right here has gone through so much in their lives, and they could tell us stories that would bless us if we just listened to them and took their wisdom. So there you have it. Chicken ghee roast. Amazing roast right there, guys, by the Village Cooking Channel. You guys are amazing, and thank you for taking that to the old folks home. Love you guys. We'll say a prayer here at Dad's Den. The whole entire family is going to say a prayer for them, and hopefully they get blessed by that. Anyway, I hope you liked this reaction. If you did, go watch this one.